Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into a comprehensive review and installation of the ASOL Games Optimization Magisk module. This is a dedicated game threads tweaker for Android, specifically designed to smooth out performance for mainstream hits and even specific niche games. Essentially, it fine-tunes how your phone's processor handles game logic to reduce those annoying micro-stutters. A quick note, while this is a robust tool, it may be affected by some pre-existing system optimizations on your ROM, but usually it doesn't conflict with other third-party optimizers you might be using. Let's locate the file. Here is the module zip file ready in our file manager. The file itself is lightweight, so it won't clutter your storage, but the impact on resource management is significant. Also, the developer is community-focused. If you find a specific game isn't on their list, you can actually submit an issue on their repository to apply for support. It's really great to see that kind of active backing. Now, let's move on to the installation. Open up your Magisk app and tap on the Modules tab at the bottom right. Select Install from Storage and navigate to where you saved the ASOL zip file. Tap it to begin flashing. You will see the script running on the screen now, configuring the necessary thread tweaks. It usually finishes up pretty quickly. Once you see the installation is successful, go ahead and tap the Reboot button at the bottom right. This restart is crucial to apply the changes to your system's game threads. Your phone might take a slight pause here during boot, but that is just the module initializing. All right, we are back up. Head into your Magisk modules list and you can see the ASOL Games Optimization is now installed. It works silently in the background, optimizing CPU allocation to ensure your games run with less lag. Unlike standard overclocking modules that just push your CPU to the max and drain battery, this focuses on efficiency. It ensures the heavy lifting is done by the correct cores while background tasks stay out of the way, which can even help lower device temperatures during long sessions. That wraps up the installation and review. If you game on Android, this is definitely worth testing out. Drop a comment below if this helped your FPS. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.